Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to collaborate on Instagram story. Alright guys, here I have opened my Instagram application, and if we want to collaborate on Instagram story with our friend, we have to be tagged or mentioned in our friend's story. Then after we have been tagged or mentioned, we will get the notification on our Instagram direct message. So first of all, we need to go to our Instagram direct message on the top right, and this is the account who mentioned me, and I'm going to click on this account. And if we want to collaborate on the story, we just need to click on add to your story. Okay. And before we upload the story to our Instagram, we can add music, a sticker, or text. And it's up to you. You can customize it as you want. You can also get the full screen by tapping on the image like this. And after you're done editing your story, you can click on your story to share this story. Okay, and now the story is being uploaded to my Instagram account, and I'm going to check it right here on my story. Okay, and now the story is being uploaded or being posted, and now it's done, and we can see the collaboration right here. So this is my account and my friend's account. Alright guys, and that's how we can collaborate on Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.